Hello everyone, I'm Sienna and this is Sis Crafting. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a name tag for your backpack. For this tutorial you're going to need a piece of paper, I'm using cardstock, a ruler, a pencil, a plastic pouch. If you don't have one of these, you can always laminate your tag, and something to decorate your tag with. I'm using colored pencils. First, grab your paper, your ruler, and a pencil and cut out a rectangle that is 2 by 6.5. Now, fold it in half. One side's going to have your information and the other side is going to have your name. Create a line 1 inch from one side of your tag. Right, so there we go. I hope you can see that line. And now we're going to create lines for the name, address, city, state or zip code, phone number, and emergency contact. The first line should be 1/4 of an inch from the top of the paper. Keep creating lines until there's no more room left. And this is what it should look like. Now we're going to write the title of each line. The top one should be your name. The second one is your address. Third one is your city. The fourth one is your state or zip code. The fifth one is phone number. The sixth one is emergency contact. Now you can trace it using whatever you wish. I'm going to be using a felt tip marker. Once you finish tracing, you can go ahead and erase all the excess pencil. And there we go. Now you can color everything in if you wish. I'm going to color this box right here. Now I'm going to flip it over and decorate this side however I wish. You should go check out our video on how to decorate pencils. This was actually made from that video. So go check that out in the eye right there. So I also wrote out my name using my felt tip marker, and I think it's done. So on one side it has a pretty design, and on the other it has my information. So here's how it turned out. This is the design side and this is the information side. I don't know if you guys can see that other picture right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you followed any of our other tutorials or this tutorial, don't forget to put it on Instagram and tag us on the post. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Bye!